Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of 4. Today we'll be taking a boat from the Contemporary to Wilderness Lodge.
Welcome home!
All right, here we go.
That was the boat for you, but
We are getting aboard. Captain Jim's got us taken care of tonight.
yep, we'll get you there. Second stop, right, lady?
Okay, yes.
Okay, great. All right, friends. First stop, Wilderness Lodge. Second stop, Fort Wilderness.
Welcome aboard. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times.
Say hi, everybody.
Hello, everybody!
Hey, Cap. Nothing like a nice little cruise from the Contemporary over to the lodge. Beautiful night tonight. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and you can see the new resort. So glad they're finally putting something there. And progress is going pretty quick. We're in July of 2025 right now. I would expect that they're gonna be finished within the next 12 months. There's no reason that should take any longer, especially with how quick they did the Poly Tower. The boats are running tonight. And I don't know if you guys, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in close enough over here. Are they gonna have bungalows? Cabins? You can, there's something in the A-frames right there. They're building A-frames that look like the bungalows or maybe the cabins. That would be an interesting little twist. And here we go, we are at the lodge. Guys are points. There you go. Thanks for taking the
My
trip
name
with
is
us.
Grace Lynn. I'm from North Carolina, Pinehurst, and don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of 4.